Confidence. It's what makes or breaks people. It's what gets you to launch your products, your services, your offers. And the lack of it is what gets you to stay quiet and alone and in the shadows. So we're going to talk about that on The Everyday Leader. Hey, welcome back to the channel. My name is Jim Burgoon, and I am your leadership coach. And I help entrepreneurs like you lift the lid on their leadership so that you can be a leader worth following. Welcome to 2-Minute Wisdom Wednesdays, where I answer your questions, give you strategies, tips, and I do it in all under 2 minutes. Today's question is, how do I build more confidence? So let's put the time on the clock, and we're gonna begin now. If you've been through anything in your life, if you've had losses in your life, if you've had trauma in your life, if you had crisis in your life, it is a confidence killer. If you struggle with insecurity, it can kill your confidence. So the question then becomes, how do I build confidence in the midst of all of this? In the midst of all these challenges? Well, I'm going to tell you the first thing you want to do is win. And not only do you want to win, you keep winning. But see, you want to win when you make the 6 figures, but I'm talking about win every day. Like if you get out of bed on time, that's a win. If you make your bed, that's a win. If you make breakfast and you actually get out and go move and make sure that you're doing physical activity, that's a win. See, those are the things that you and I need to focus on because that's the wins. And if you get enough wins, you begin to do things more and you step out more because winning creates a cycle of winning, which builds confidence in me. The next thing I want to share with you is affirmations. Affirmations really come down to not only saying, but thinking and then doing the things about myself of who I want to become. So when you're trying to become someone, you need to affirm yourself in that. This is who I am. This is who I'm becoming, not who I thought I was. The broken old stories of I'm not good enough. I'm not this enough. I'm too this, right? No, I am good enough. I am smart enough and people will like me and I will build what is in my heart. Say those affirmations. I'm a Bible guy, so I speak scripture over myself. Say those affirmations, win, and you will build confidence. And I'm going to tell you the last thing that you're going to want to do to build confidence is to do it afraid. Do one thing afraid every single day and just do it. Right? Because guess what? So if you put these 3 together, so if you're doing it afraid, because I'm getting over the fear of doing something, because most of it is us being afraid of doing it. If I'm affirming myself and I'm winning, confidence will surely follow you. I want you to be a confident leader. I want you to be a confident entrepreneur. Hit me up in the comments. How do you wrestle with confidence in your own life? What are some questions you would love me to answer on these things? Then I want you to follow this video on to the next one where I'm going to go deeper in some of these topics and you'll see it pop here. So follow that video. Thank you for joining the Everyday Leader. Make sure you hit a like, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.